Hello friends, today I have a question: which is bigger from these two numbers? And first number is 9 raised to the power 9999 and the second one is 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3 and its again power is 3. So let's start and check it out that which is the bigger number. So we can write 9 as 3 raised to the power 2. 3 squares means 9 and its whole power is 9999. And from here we can write it as 3 raised to the power 3 and these two powers will become 3 times 9 and 9 3 times 27. So from here we know that a raised to the power m, its whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. So we can write 3 raised to the power 2 whole power 9999 as 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 9999 and it is 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 27. Now you can see here we have bases same, so we will compare its powers now. So 2 multiplied by 9999 and here we have 3 raised to the power 27. Now we can write 9999 as 9 multiplied by 9 1 times 9, 9 1 times 9, 9 1 times 9 and 9 1 times 9. And here we have 3 raised to the power 27. Now from this term we can write it as 2 multiplied by 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 into 1111 and it is 3 raised to the power 27. Now we will divide both sides by 3 raised to the power 2. So from here 3 square and 3 square will be cancelled out and we have remaining 2 multiplied by 1111. 2 multiply 1111 and we know that a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So it will become 3 raised to the power 27 minus 2. So it will become 2 multiplied by 1111 is 2222 and it is 3 raised to the power 27 minus 2 is 25. So 2222 and 3 raised to the power 25 will be equal to 4099. Now we can see here 2222 is less than 4999. It's mean 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3 and 3 again raised to the power 3 is bigger than 9 raised to the power 9999. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.